I've been teaching for a long time, but officially, I started teaching online in 2017. 2017 was when I started doing WhatsApp classes, gathering people. I started teaching social media. Social media. That's when I started with social media. I used to teach about Facebook, Instagram, hashtags. I was teaching about all those things.
Wow.
Then 2018, and I created an official WhatsApp group where I'll gather people. I used to teach for free. I used to go from place to place, church to church. 2019, I started traveling.
Wow.
So I'll go to schools, I'll teach for free. Like, I'll organize. I'll just wake up, I'll say, okay, we're doing Are you ready?
Wow.
So I will do adverts, spend my money, gather people in the WhatsApp group, pay for hotel, pay for venue, pay for equipment, and still fly my people down with my own money.
Wow.
And as at that time, I was staying in a one-room apartment. Not like one-room apartment that I rented, though. Thank God you understand how church work.
Yeah.
Inside church, there will be one room that probably is for... This particular one room was for, these nursing mothers.
Yes, okay.
Yeah, they go and breastfeed children. Yeah. That's the room I used to stay in church, in Lagos. The name of the church is the City of Light Church.
Wow.
The City of Light Church. It used to be in Obalodu, number 12/14 Obalodu, Ijesha Surulere, Lagos. But now they've moved to 2/4 Shakiri Crescent, a big church now.
Wow.
Yeah, so I used to stay in that one-room apartment. There was money to go and rent an apartment, but I didn't go and rent an apartment. I was more interested in investing in myself, making myself known to the world, imparting others, building an ecosystem than to get an apartment. So I was staying in that one room. I'm emphasizing that one room part for a reason. I used to stay in that one room, but I would spend like 1.5 million to do a seminar.
Wow. And that money is very big then.
Yes, now 2019, 1 million, 1.5 million is plenty money. It's not now. 1.5 million is plenty money in 2019. 2019, flight from Lagos to Abuja was 35,000. 30,000 safe. 28,000 safe. In fact, 19,000. I remember clearly. First time I traveled out of Nigeria was in 2019. And I know how much I paid for tickets. It was not that expensive. I can't try that nonsense now.
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yes.
So my point is that, I used to travel. I've gone to Jos. I've done a seminar in Jos. I've done seminar in Kaduna. I've done seminar in Warri. I think twice in Warri. I've done seminar in Kaduna. I've done seminar in Ibadan, in Ogun State, Abuja many times. All of this for free. So most of those videos that you see online, most of them, more than 90% of them, that people are saying, "Oh, this boy sit down, they listen to them." So people sit down. These are classes that people sat down for 6 hours. In Enugu, when I wanted to do a program in Enugu, right now, I have about 19,000 students across the world.
Yeah.
19,000 students across the world. Like, I have different WhatsApp groups for all of that. Let me just see if I can just show you like a tip. You see now, this is a WhatsApp group. This is the October paid class. I'll talk about this one. This is another class, the July paid class. This is December paid class. This is March paid class. April. I have a lot of, I think there's a way to do groups. See, I have a lot of groups. All these are groups for different classes. And the name of my school online is called The School of Life. The School of Life. The school. So when you come to my class, you learn about life. All things that pertain unto life and godliness. That's what I teach.